Right guys, good morning, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be injecting some of our beef cattle for worms and fluke, and also shaving their backs, try and stop them getting pneumonia in the shed over winter. It appears there is a committee meeting going on down there between the rest of the farm guys. I'm just here at the crush setting up our scale with a tablet so we can record everything we do on AgriWeb, but also we get an accurate weight so we know how much stuff to give each animal as they come through. So this is one of the products we'll be using, Foevvercam Super. So it's a wormer as well as a flukicide for cattle. We've got another product that John's got that needs using up, which is called Animex Super, which is essentially the same thing. And then I need to go and get the shears so we can shave their backs. All set up, ready to go. We've got the first. Oh, it's John. Right, so we're all set up now. Got the scale on. We've got all this set up so that as they come through, it tells us there how much wormer they need, obviously as it weighs them. John is doing the shaving of their backs and tails. So hopefully that will stop any potential pneumonia in the shed and keep them a bit cleaner as well. Yeah, we'll rattle through these 6 big lads and then we'll do the 48 little ones as well. So 1 mil per 50 kilos, and we had this to use up, so it's the same stuff, just a different name. You can see on the animals here, they get quite a lot of stuff built up on all this long hair on their back. So we take all this off. It also gets very damp in there. We take all that off, just gives them the ability to breathe a bit, and also keeps them nice and clean. It'll keep them a lot happier during the winter. The animals actually like it cold. They prefer to be cold than they would the hot weather. We've all gone back in the shed, apart from this one. Who does he think he is? What are you playing at? Nice haircut. No.
Come on, boys. Thank you.
Oh, look at this lovely straw there. Beautiful. So you're about 57 kilos, are you really? Welcome cow to the John Bowman barbershop.
The ones that come in over Rowden, yes, I think they'll have to be done the day they go in, because they're
And he's messing with the program. It's always been like that. Yes, see. Oh, the dog. There you go. Ho, 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 ho. They're not doing what I want them to, John.
Have you tried barking? I told you.
Looking for John's dinner bag. Where's that spot I piss in?
He's not bringing more sheep, is it?
No, he's just trying to trying to get his dog. This worked quite well. About 5 mil for each one. And 5 mils per inch. You don't know the password.
Thank you very much.
Some fine adjustment with an adjustable spanner might be
good idea.
Good idea in here. You changed your opinion on sheep yet?
Wonderful day to work with sheep, eh?
Well, it's not raining.
Yet.
When's the Andy Jones semi-permanent erection going up?
I'm working on it.
The work in progress.
Build up to it. You can't rush me.
No.
No, I'll get, you know.
Don't look directly at it.
Bit of stage fright, you know. Don't work well under pressure.
No. Right, so we've taken a bit of a break from jabbing them away in the calves a minute, because we come up to off-ground. TB cows are going this afternoon, which is a bit of a shame. So there's a lorry supposed to be here in 10 minutes to pick them up. So we're going to get them out into the handling and hope the chap load them up when he comes. As is always the way with TB, they never take your bad cows, always your good ones. We've got 2 cows here and 2 heifers that have had calves. One of them's actually not in calves, so that isn't the end of the world. I think it's that cow there. But like this light coloured one here, she's a pet. She's a really nice cow. Really like her. It's just always the way. Looks like the lorry's here anyway. Come on, sweethearts. Hey, darling. Well done. Come on, then. Come on. And just like that, cows are gone. It's a bit sad that the pet cow's going. I like that cow, but can't help it. TB's one of those things out of our hands, I'm afraid. John's going to bring back the Massey, load of tractors up here, because obviously we don't need that up here anymore. Cows are gone, nothing to feed. And then we'll head back and carry on with our hair shaving and worming.
Here's some boy Bowman.
The lorry driver said it was nice to go somewhere to pick up cows where there's actually some form of handling facility to pick them up. Which is the one good thing, I suppose. It does make it a lot less stressful when they're in the pen and straight up the lorry, rather than having to chase them around. Dr. Phil has got the slug pellet on. He's been calibrated it, as you can see, there's pellets everywhere. So he's got enough in there to do about 1.5 hectares. He's going to go and do that this afternoon. I left the window down on this machine, which is a bad idea because it was spotting with rain when we left. We're back in the Bowman salon. Short back and sides for everyone.
It's sort of the opposite to that, really, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's like a reverse mohawk.
Beautiful work.
Well, chap. It's a hairy specimen. Well, lad. We'll go through there once he starts. Well. I had to start using a syringe because the end of this has snapped and won't hold a needle on it anymore, which is most upsetting.
Hello, cow. You want to show us your lovely clean tails?
Oh.
You can tell they're dairy cross calves. Not as beefy as they could be. Come on!
Shuttle these back in their pens. John's gonna let the 2 out on the other side.
The other 2 are entire, or were entire male calves. I bet come and done some slicey on them on Friday. Right, someone said on my last video that this was a complete mess with this silage, so I hope we've made it better for you. All pushed in nicely with the tyre pusher this morning.
Not that it matters, they can still eat it if it's not in a nice neat line. How are you getting on there, John?
Yeah, cracking.
Come on.
Better than that.
Right. Poor old face. Yeah, so those 2 weren't rubber ringed as calves because we couldn't find their nuts. But they won't be breeding anything now. You can see these ones are a fair bit heavier, but they're a little bit older. Oh no, they're younger. They're a lot younger. But they have been on a cow for 9 months. Haven't you, eh? Yes. Quite friendly, aren't you? I'm sorry, boys. John's just explained to me the process that you went through on Friday, and it's pretty grim. I need to go and have a moment.
Well, they don't know.
No, but I know.
Well, you don't miss what you haven't had.
That's true.
Obviously, you don't have it for a little while.
Huh. Come on, cow, stuff your faces in.
Yes.
Right, so we are all finished now for the day. Just a few little housekeeping jobs to do, like shut up the workshop and the grain stores and collect the dog from the kennel. This bay I'm stood in now, sort of become a little project I've been doing whenever I get a spare, 10-15 minutes before lunch or something.
With all this rubbish like that, I got no idea what that is. It's been there for donkeys, not being used. Got scaffold poles, bits of water pipe, reels of water pipe, pallet of AdBlue, wheel mover, and a pallet. All of that stuff is taking up an awful lot of space here in the shed that we could be using to park the Manitou or the tractor underneath. And they've got to sit outside, so this is sort of a little sub-project I've started doing.
Whenever I get a minute, I come in here, tidy a bit up, make a bit more space. Gus is here waiting to come out. Well, I guess.
Just try and keep the thing a bit neat and tidy. Yeah, we've got a lot of stuff here.
But thank you very much for watching today's video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you think we could be doing anything differently, then do let us know in the comments. I know everyone has a slightly different routine for when they house cattle, worming them, fluking them, clipping their backs, all that good stuff. Always open to some constructive criticism, so make sure you do let us know in the comments. If you want to head to the description below, there's a load of links for all my other socials, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. It's all down there below for you guys to go and follow if you want to. There's also a link to merch if you're interested in hats, hoodies, and whatever else we got there at the minute.
Get squashed. Get squashed. Get squashed.
Yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on another video very soon. Cheerio.
Like a drug that